Okay, exercise 19 on page 348 is an application of a similar principle. They just confuse you by skipping a couple of terms. So the first, third, and fifth terms of a sequence are given. They're given algebraically, and you have to do some math on it. Let's just test a little theory here. Let's first of all test whether or not we take a simple series, like a series of threes here. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay, there's my simple series. And now, because they're giving us first, third, and fifth term, let's take a random block of 5 terms and see whether or not the same situation is true as we saw before. If we take the first term and the fifth term of this block of terms, if we add them up and divide by 2, do we get the middle one? Yes, we do. 9 plus 21 over 2 equals 15. So 9 plus 21 over 2 is 15. Let's take another random block of 5 terms and see if the same thing is true. Is 15 plus 27 over 2 equal to 21? Well, 15 plus 27 is 42, divided by 2 is 21. So yes, it is in fact true. So that if they give us this, if they give us the first, third, and fifth term, the first term being 2x minus 1, second term being unknown, third term being x squared minus 3, fourth term being unknown, and the fifth term being 11 minus x squared, I should be able to take this one, add it to this one, divide by 2, and equal that one. And that should give us the basis to solve for x. And once we've solved for x, we should be able to plug it in here, come up with d, come up with what should show up here. And what should show up here, but they're not asking for that. So, 2x minus 1. Oh, wait a minute. Pause the video. See if you can do this. You should be able to write out the equation. You should be able to solve it, plug in the x, and determine the second term. So pause the video and try that, and then come back and watch the steps that I do. So here what I've done is I've taken the first and the fifth, added them together, divided by 2, and that should equal the third. So we'll do some collection of terms here. Negative x squared x equals. Here I've multiplied both sides by 2 to get rid of the fraction. And let's see, so 0 equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 plus minus 16. Alright, so can we factor that? Let's see, plus 6 minus 8 plus 6 minus 8 is 2, 3 times 2, 2, 8 plus, so 3x x 1 plus 1 minus 8 plus 2. That should work. So that's minus 16 minus 8x plus 6x. Yeah, yep, that works. Okay, so factoring this, x equals minus 2 is one solution. And let's pull this over here. 3x minus 8 equals 0, so 3x equals 8. 8 equals, or sorry, x equals 8 over 3 equals 8 over 3. So those are my 2 solutions now, and let's do the easy one first. If we plug, those are my 2 solutions for x, by the way. So we need to plug that into the formulas to figure out what d is and to figure out what the second term is. So if x equals minus 2, let's figure this out where x equals minus 2. X equals minus 2, So this one, 2x minus 1 is minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Right? 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Minus another one is minus 5. Something. X squared minus 3. So that squared is 4. Minus 3 is 1. And 11 minus x squared is 11 minus 4, which is 7. So this difference here has got to be 2d, and this difference has to be 2d. So I see it's a difference of 6, and there is a difference of 6. So if 2d equals 6, d equals 3, and the next term here, we must be adding 3, so it must be minus 2. And we added 3 here. This would be 4, but we don't care about that. They only asked us for this term. So if x equals minus 2, then the second term is minus 2. If x equals 8 over 3, well, that's a little bit messier. So that's 2, oh god, okay, 8 over 3, so that's 2 times that is 16 over 3, it's 1. Which equals 13 over 3. That's awful. Okay, then something. Then x squared minus 3, so 8 over 3 squared is 64 over 9 minus 3. So 64 over 9, which is 8 times 8 over 3 times 3, right? 64 over 9 minus 3, which is 27 over 9. So 64 minus 27 over 9, when that equals, my apologies if I'm going too quickly with the math, 64 minus 27 is 37. Then something. Then 11 minus x squared. Oh god. Okay, so 11 minus that squared is 64 over 9. So that's 99 over 9 minus 64 over 9. Remember, 11 is just 99 over 9. So the difference here is 35 over 9. I feel like I might have done something wrong. 13 over 3 is also 13. Oh, no, that's right. This is 39 over 9. 13 over 3 is 39 over 9. So here I can see a pattern. It's 39 over 9, then something, then 37 over 9, then something, then 35 over 9. So this would be 36 over 9, and this would be, whoops, sorry, that would be 38 over 9, and this would be 36 over 9. And then we see the pattern quite clearly. It's an arithmetic sequence. And then we're looking for this one. So those are your two answers then. If x equals negative 2, the answer of the second term is negative 2, where x equals 8 over 3, the second term is 38 over 9.